In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add washi tape and placeholder stickies in FigJam. By the end, you'll know how to use decorative tape to structure your canvas and how to lay down clear, reusable placeholders that guide collaboration. First, open your FigJam file and head to the board where you want to work. Take a moment to zoom to a comfortable level and pan to the area you want to organize. It helps to think about your layout now. Maybe you're creating sections for ideas, tasks, or feedback, so the tape and stickies have a clear purpose once you place them. Next, look at the bottom toolbar and click the marker icon to open more options. This is where FigJam keeps a set of creative tools beyond the default cursor and shapes. If you don't see the toolbar, move your mouse near the bottom of the screen and it should appear. Opening this menu reveals the washi tape tool along with other drawing options. Choose washi tape, then click and drag on the board to draw. You can create short strips to label areas, longer strips to divide sections, or angled pieces to call attention to important content. If you want a straight strip, drag horizontally or vertically and keep your movement steady. You can always adjust the endpoints after placing it. Use the properties panel to switch colors, patterns, and thickness so your tape stands out from the background. Try contrasting colors for different categories and keep related sections consistent so your teammates can scan the board quickly. If you need multiple strips, duplicate one you like and reuse it to keep styles uniform. Now add your placeholder stickies. Select the sticky notes from the same toolbar and click anywhere on the board to place them. Type short, clear prompts like "add ideas here," "next steps," or "questions," so collaborators know exactly what to contribute. Keep the stickies a consistent size and color within a section. That visual consistency makes scanning and sorting much easier. Place them near or along the washi tape to reinforce structure, and space them evenly so everything feels tidy. You can quickly duplicate a sticky to create a row or column of placeholders, then drag to align using the built-in snapping guides. If you're preparing a workshop or brainstorming session, add enough placeholders to cover your plan, and leave white space so additions don't feel crowded. That's it. Open your file, reveal the marker options, draw with washi tape, and place your placeholder stickies. With a few thoughtful choices in color, spacing, and wording, your FigJam board will be organized, clear, and ready for collaboration.